matter how often we moisturize our hair during the winter, escaping static electricity seems impossible. But there is always a fix. Hi guys, I am Ankita and today I am going to share 5 tips to tame and fix static hair in winter. Before we get into the video, quickly subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. To better understand how to tame your hair static, you need to know a little bit more about what causes it. Now I'm sure you have heard of the word static electricity. Simply put, when your hair rubs against objects such as heavy winter apparel or outerwear such as scarves, woolly collars and jackets, electrons get transferred, resulting in an electric charge. That charge is what causes your strands to stand up. Hair that has a static charge in it appears messy and is really difficult to style and manage. But why do we experience static hair more so in winters? The answer is pretty simple. Static electricity becomes more of an issue because the air is drier in the months of winter. Plus, lack of humidity or moisture causes the electrons to charge up, resulting in more static electricity buildup. The best way to fight static hair is by keeping your hair hydrated. During the winter months, outdoor and indoor air tends to be extra dry. So switching your shampoo and conditioner to a moisturizing formula will help reduce static hair. Opting for moisturizing hair care products is the easiest way to ensure that our hair is armed with hydration necessary to fight frizz, static and other pesky effects of the chilly weather. Plus, as a rule, ensure that the products you use on your hair doesn't have sodium lauryl sulfate, as this hair baddie strips natural oil from the hair, leaving it dry and prone to static charge. The shampoo and conditioner that I like to use in order to control static hair is this one right here. This is the Love Beauty and Planet Natural Murumuru Butter and Rose Shine Shampoo and Conditioner. The reason I love this shampoo is because it has ethically sourced Bulgarian roses with 100% natural murumuru butter and 100% organic coconut oil. Now, thanks to its emollient properties, murumuru butter and coconut oil will provide much needed hydration to your hair shaft and help moisturize and seal your hair cuticles. This in turn will result in frizz-free and smoother looking hair. Plus, the soothing aroma of Bulgarian rose petals will leave your hair smelling like a rose garden for a really long time. Beyond shampoo and conditioner, a hair serum also helps tame static hair. Because what the hair serum does is, it polishes and smooths frizz strand by strand while creating a humidity-infused barrier that helps block out frizz and static while boosting shine. So after shampooing and conditioning, use a hydrating hair serum like this one. This is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Hair Serum. Take 1 to 2 pumps of the serum and apply on damp hair, starting 2 inches away from the scalp all the way till the ends. In case your hair is not damp, you can also use it on dry hair in a small amount to instantly smooth flyaways and frizz. The best thing about this serum is that it has keratin and camellia oil. Keratin will fix the frizz by binding the cuticles together, and camellia oil will keep the hair moisturized for a long period of time. Now I'm sure that at some point in life you must have played with balloons, which means that you also must know what rubbing a balloon on your hair does. Just to recap, it makes your hair become electrically charged and causes it to stand up. Using plastic combs and brushes have a similar effect on your hair. Hence, if you want to avoid static hair, might I suggest investing in boar bristle brushes and wooden combs. Reason being, these brushes and combs are quite gentle on your hair and do not cause pulling or tugging, which is often the case with plastic. Now be honest, do you dry your hair with a rough textured towel? If the answer is yes, then let me tell you that this is one of the biggest causes of dry hair, frizz and static electricity. The rough texture of the towel extracts moistures from your hair, causing the cuticles to open up, thereby increasing static hair. Which is why I recommend switching to a microfiber towel, because compared to the regular rough texture towels, this fabric will not cause friction, which in turn will help reduce static hair. And lastly, use water to combat static hair. It is one of the quickest and cheapest ways to tackle this problem. Just spritz some water over hair that is sticking out, smoothen it with your palms. Water helps restore the positive and negative charge balance, which in turn helps reduce static hair. So these were 5 tips to tame and fix static hair in winter. Before you go, like and share this video and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel. And while you're still at it, don't forget to ring the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos.